Preserving the history of our state is a big job, and there's no one more dedicated to the task than Harriet Weber, Director of Operations at the Quincy Valley Historical Society and Museum. Today, she's showing us how important agriculture is to this community.
It's just a real sense of pride for our community to be able to salvage something of our heritage here in town.
And so all this focuses on Quincy Agriculture.
Quincy Agriculture, yes. Quincy has always been, since the early 1900s, grounded in agriculture. And we really wanted the visitor to be able to connect with farmers and farm workers and understand really the labor of love that is behind everything that we eat. In this area, we really have focused on irrigation and water.
Construction of the Grand Coulee Dam made irrigation possible for areas like Quincy, turning the desert into the perfect place for farmland.
So 7 to 9 inches of precipitation a year here is all we get.
Wow.
So the irrigation is very
thank
important.
Goodness for irrigation.
Yes. You know, here's a little piece of dry land. That's what this all looked like prior to the water coming. Okay, so now we're going to move into the main part of the exhibit room. You may hear, oh, there's Eunice, our sheep.
Eunice. Hi, Eunice.
This is another little interactive that kids love. We've got an apple tree and some weighted apples and these fun little picking bags that you can put on over your neck.
You ready?
Oh, we're going to do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Game on.
Game on. All right. Ready? Go. Okay. You have to be gentle but quick is how we try to train the students to do it. Oh my gosh. Whoops. Applesauce. It's applesauce. I'm going to let her win. Yay, you got it. Next time you brush your teeth, remember that spearmint you taste grows here, the veggies in your freezer, french fries at your neighborhood restaurant, an apple in your pie may very well be there thanks to Columbia Basin Project and Quincy's dedicated and innovative farmers and farm workers.
Well, Harriet, thank you so much for this wonderful tour, and I can tell that there's so much heart put into this exhibit and that people are going to learn so much from it. I love it.
Thank you. It's really important to us that people understand the heart of a farmer and not just the crop they see on the shelf.
I think you succeeded. Thank you.
Thank you.